How to reply to WeChat message. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reply to WeChat messages. Go to the dashboard page and click on WeChat in the top level menu to access the WeChat content page. On the left side menu, click Followers to open the folder. Then click on Messages to access the Messages page. To find new messages from WeChat followers, scroll up to the top of the Messages page. Look for new messages under the heading Waiting for Response. Remember these two important rules for WeChat messaging. You cannot initiate a message to a follower, but you can reply to their message. You have 48 hours to reply to a message from a follower before the reply function is disabled. To send a reply, scroll up to the top of the Messages page. Locate new messages from WeChat followers under the Waiting for Response section. Click on a message to open Message History panel for that follower on the right side of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom of the panel. Type your reply in the text field. Click Reply to send the message, and it will be added to the follower's history. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.